Okay guys, today we are making Caprese Salad, one of my all-time favorite snacks. It's super simple and super easy. All you're gonna need is half a block of mozzarella, Mediterranean olive oil, salt, pepper, cherry tomatoes, and basil. Let's get started. Okay, I just finished cutting up my mozzarella and we're gonna put it into the bowl, and next we're gonna cut up our basil and our cherry tomatoes. Okay, I just finished cutting up my tomatoes. As you can see, I like my mozzarella into these thick cubes, and they're really just bite-sized pieces. And then I like to cut my tomatoes in halves because I really love tomatoes. They're so sweet, and I just like more of it into my salads than most. It's totally up to you how you want to do this. Use your own variations. If you don't really like tomatoes, maybe leave some out. But this is how my salad is going. Next, we are cutting up our basil. I'm using Thai basil. You're not really supposed to use this one, but I really like it. It's sweeter than regular basil, and as you can see, I got it from my very own herbs in my kitchen. Okay, next for our salad, we're gonna put some salt and pepper into it. Do this by your own taste, and then we are going to massage it with our olive oil. Look at how good that looks. And after I've gotten my hands super messy from massaging this salad with olive oil, we are going to finish it off with our dressing. Balsamic vinegar is such a good pairing with this. It adds a great bite. And then we'll see the final result. Okay, this time I spared myself from getting my hands super messy, and I mixed it all with a spoon. Look how good that looks. So good. Kind of healthy and so easy to make. I promise you, you're gonna love this salad.